In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to integrate Mailchimp with Framer, which is an efficient method to combine the email marketing capabilities of Mailchimp with the prototyping and interactive design features of Framer. Firstly, you need to access the Framer platform. This can usually be done with a simple search in your preferred internet browser. Simply type in Framer and click on the relevant search result to proceed to the Framer website. An important detail to remember is to ensure you are using a secure and reliable internet connection to maintain the best performance and avoid connectivity issues. Once you are in Framer, you will immediately notice the user-friendly interface that Framer provides. For our task, you will need to locate the Insert option. Generally, you will find this option at the toolbar at the top of the page, or it could be in a drop-down menu along other selection options. It's also important to note the design of these platforms may vary depending on updates, so always familiarize yourself with the user interface. And don't hesitate to use their help or search features if needed. After you have successfully found and clicked on the Insert option, another menu will appear. This is typically a drop-down menu with various items that you can insert into your project. From this list, you need to locate and select Form. Clicking this option will create a new form component for your project on Framer. Lastly, you need to link the form to Mailchimp. To do this, you must carefully navigate to the Mailchimp option within the interface. This usually comes up after you have created your form as a section where you can determine how the form will handle the data received. After clicking on the Mailchimp option, your form created in Framer will now be integrated with Mailchimp. With the Mailchimp integration, your form can now send collected data directly into your Mailchimp account for use in your campaigns. This greatly simplifies the process of collecting user information, as the information input into your form will automatically be processed through Mailchimp. In conclusion, integrating Mailchimp with Framer simply involves accessing Framer, inserting a form, and choosing Mailchimp as your preferred method of handling the data. This seamless integration should allow you to create more dynamic and interactive designs, while simultaneously enhancing your email marketing campaign's effectiveness. Remember, every new tool or procedure might feel a little overwhelming initially, but with patience and regular practice, I guarantee you will get the hang of it. Till then, keep experimenting and keep learning.